Oh, boys. Brr! Sunny yet chilly. But I've got a dilemma that I'm a little bit struggling with, boys. I got pretty well the only vehicles I got left, run and drive. And friggin', I mean, I got parked trucks in that one, parts for the friggin' son of a bitch there, but I don't know. So, let's see what we kind of got here. Kind of ashamed to just wreck work and driving vehicles, you know what I mean? Can't keep them all, and I got other to do, so. Get a little guy there, pop that stairwards out probably. Mind your words. A little custom deck there. Buddy come yesterday, grabbed all the friggin' tronics. Probably gonna have a yard sale this month too. Just get rid of a bunch of whatever I don't get rid of, just get rid of it.
Hello, this is an important message from ExploreNet Communications regarding your account. Please call us back at 1-877-863-2606 at your earliest convenience. Thank you. Goodbye.
Oh, that'd be great. Yeah, too much he just never pays his internet bill. So just about every day I get a, not every day, but just about I get a friggin' message from him or whatever. An important message. Should have never done that. That was a bad idea. I'm trying to be nice to my good friend, and turns out more of a just a user friend. But some of these I definitely want to friggin' jump. Like a big attention. Yeah. Look at that too. I bought that kit because I had those rims. Hey? No, that's not even the right one. I have this one. I apologize. Right on. Check out that custom exhaust work. Where'd they get that done? Inwood? Hey? Oh dear Father Lord. Oh yeah. Just look on, oh, they got the old little strap there, the dangler strap. Nice. I might need to hit that with the grinder to get it off. It's on there so good. Okay, I go. Oh, look at that. Is that ostrich? It is. Playing friggin' tractor. You best. He's giving me the friggin' poop shoot salute. Hey, 10,588. Son of a bitch. See what we got. 11,320. How you doing? You love this thing? Just on the cigarettes. Holy.
Yeah, I still got a lot more. I have to take it home and do the field system. This belt here, like you see, it keeps coming off, but only when you pull it backwards. Because it's not, you know, I change these bearings, it's all straight and everything. It's just, you know, I'd have to either put something, weld something around to keep it from skipping off, or just change the belt.
So to stop it, you got to pull the.
Yeah, so they got band brakes right here on each side.
I was gonna do the friggin' axle seals in Rusty today when I got back, but now I gotta go get another rig. Actually 7 rigs, but can't get them all right now, so. Oh, great. Lenny called him in, boys. Lenny called him in for sure. Good Lord.